Purchasing a home is a significant milestone in one's life, but the process can be overwhelming and complex. To ensure a smooth and successful home buying experience, adequate preparation is crucial. In this video, we're going to cover 5 steps to better prepare yourself for the home buying process. By following these 5 steps, you can enhance your readiness and approach the process with confidence. My name is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent. Do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button because that motivates me to continue putting out videos. And if you already haven't done so, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know the next time I'll be putting out new videos. Now, let's hop right into it. Number 1, assess your financial situation. The first step in preparing for the home buying process is to evaluate your financial situation. Take a comprehensive look at your income, savings, and existing debts. Calculate your budget, including your monthly income, expenses, and potential mortgage payments. This assessment will help you determine how much you can afford to spend on a new home and give you a clearer understanding of your financial limitations. Number 2, save for a down payment and closing costs. Saving for a down payment and closing costs is an essential part of the home buying process. Establish a savings plan and set aside funds specifically for these expenses. A higher down payment can not only increase your chances of loan approval, but also lower your monthly mortgage payments. Additionally, factor in the closing costs, which include fees associated with the purchase, such as appraisal, title search, and legal expenses. Number 3, get pre-approved for a mortgage, and this should probably be number 1. Securing pre-approval for a mortgage is a crucial step that determines your seriousness as a buyer. Contact multiple lenders to compare mortgage options, interest rates, and terms. Gather the necessary documentation, including income statements, tax returns, and credit history to speed up the pre-approval process. With pre-approval in hand, you will have a clearer understanding of your budget and be in a stronger position to make offers on homes. Number 4, research and define your needs. Take the time to research and define your needs and preferences for your future home. Consider factors such as location, neighborhood amenities, school districts, and commute times. Make a list of must-have features such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, a backyard, or a garage. This clarity will help you narrow down your options and save time during your home search. Number 5, engage a real estate agent. Partnering with a professional real estate agent, such as myself, can greatly simplify the home buying process. An experienced agent can guide you through each step, provide valuable market insights, and negotiate on your behalf. Research and interview multiple agents to find someone who understands your needs and has a track record of success. Their expertise will prove invaluable in finding the right home, negotiating the best price, and navigating the intricacies of the transaction. In conclusion, preparing yourself for the home buying process is vital to ensure a successful and stress-free experience. By assessing your financial situation, saving for a down payment, obtaining pre-approval, researching your needs, and engaging a real estate agent, you will be well equipped to make informed decisions and find your dream home. Remember, patience and diligence are key, and with proper preparation, you can confidently embark on your journey to home ownership. Contact me if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. My contact information is on the screen as well as in the description of this video. This has been Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, signing out. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Peace.